How you guys doing? I'm Andy with My Soldiers Trades.
I'm Sarah.
What a slow Friday we're having so far.
Yep.
Not a slow Friday as far as profit though.
Nope.
Got 1.77% on the account today, and that's pretty nice. No options trades. Still scoping out shorts. Not really thinking I'm going to take any. This is just not the kind of momentum or volume or anything that I'm looking for anything like that. So
right.
It's not worth it. A little too much room for things to go against me hard at this point.
Yeah, since everything's dropped a little bit, so.
So what do we trade today?
We traded CODX. They came out with some more news today that they are pre-check health to exclusively distribute coronavirus COVID-19 test in Ecuador, and these are co-diagnostic tests.
Yeah, and we're watching IBIO traded it, right?
Yeah, IBIO we traded too. They had more news too. Their 8K showed that they filed for provisional patent application for virus-like practical platform technology in conjunction with fast farming system for treating, preventing coronavirus infection.
Yeah, most of these were pump and dumps. There was LJPC, SINT, IBIO, GLBS, OPK. OPK had some pretty good news.
Yeah, their news, the New York Governor Cuomo announced the state is contracting with OPK's bioreference laboratories to run 5,000 tests a day for coronavirus.
Yeah, so I mean, there's a huge float on that thing for like a penny stock. So anything below $5 is essentially a penny stock. So
right,
and that's 346 million in the float or something on that.
Yeah, it was pretty big. I know.
Huge walls the whole way up. Quite the battle the entire time, and I just took advantage of each little time that it was giving me profit. You know, I was in there and out and in and out.
Yeah, you did good in it. Made profit on each trade. And most of these trades you just took today had something to do with the coronavirus, except for maybe GLBS.
Yeah, I mean, without having tight risk control, a day like this, I would end up losing money before, and I've even recently ended up losing money on Fridays. When in the beginning of this year, it was like 3 or 4 days that hit me really hard on Fridays, and it was like, why do I keep doing this to myself? But today, I grabbed him low and slow, changed up my game plan. I sort of grabbed them before they ran. And honestly, I could have held a lot of them, like GLBS. That one worked out really well after I got it in the beginning of its move, pretty much.
Right.
And, CODX, that thing, I don't really trust that thing.
I don't trust CODX either.
CODX is a lot like Cron back, like I keep referencing this, but right back before Andrew left had came on the CNBC and came short. He said he was going short on Cron, he said a bunch of things. You'd have to look it up.
Right.
But, and, if you guys aren't following him, you probably should.
Because a lot of times when he comes out, I'm short on something, that stock just drops.
Yeah, it's following Citron Research, following Andrew Left, it can never hurt. Might tick some people off, but, hey, that's what the market does to people anyways. Some people get really frustrated. Right now we have a lot of people frustrated with retail shorts. I think retail shorts are not even putting a dent in this market. I mean, especially with the Fed pump, to think that retail shorts are a problem here is just another way to take money. That would be. Yeah. I'm not even gonna go into the politics. I got a rant just really built up here.
Yeah, it's basically people probably just not understanding basically what it means to be a retail trader. Like somebody doesn't trade at all.
Right. I mean, I got to come out with my warehouse video, guys, so I can reference that, and that way you guys know exactly what I'm saying here.
Right.
Because, this is not what people think it is. And when I hear people complaining, like, I hear people on stock twits fighting, like, you shorts ruined my life. And so it's like, again, like, I've got to keep my mouth shut.
Yeah.
Keep my opinions to myself, because this is just, some of this stuff's ridiculous. Another thing is, people are calling on Trump to close the market down. Like, these same people were gloating about being in a bull market, and this bull market that seemed infallible, like indestructible, just kept on rising and making new highs. I said earlier on, like, I don't know, quite a bit, maybe like 15% at least below the highs, that this market's going to fail and it's not going to keep going. And it just kept on ripping up. And, you hear all these people gloating, it's a bull market, so it's just... Now a lot of these people are complaining and saying, please shut the market down. This is chaos. People are going too nuts here. We need the market shut down to protect our portfolios. And who's to say the market doesn't shut down, protect our portfolios, and then all of a sudden it crashes even more because the market was shut down? I mean, there's no
really
guarantee that shutting the market down is going to prevent anything.
Right. I mean, come on, look at the stores. There's no toilet paper left.
And then, I mean, isn't the pure representation of the market is the free market, laissez-faire. This is the place where you can go with the hardest level on Grand Theft Auto. I mean, this would be like going out of your house and having just a bombardment of every sort of thing coming at you when you're walking, when you're driving, or anything. I mean, that's the market. That's what I love about this market. It's freedom. Mm-hmm. This is what freedom's meant to be right here.
Right. The freedom to gain money and lose money.
Look, freedom hurts sometimes. That's the thing about freedom. Freedom, it make you feel great when it's going your way. But then when freedom turns against you, it doesn't feel so great no more.
Right.
So anyways, rant over, guys. And hopefully you guys had a great day in the market too. I had a pretty good day, as I just said. If you can even remember that through that rant. But yeah, I mean, like we just had a list of these stocks this morning, and they all worked out for us pretty good from where we had them. I didn't grab too small today. I grabbed pretty medium-sized positions relative to the account. So these worked out pretty good for us. We accomplished our 100% daily profit target, I think 7 minutes after market open. So I'm gonna boast about that a little bit. No.
Yeah, you had a lot of pre-market trades, but then so.
I'm gonna boast about that a little bit. Then I'm gonna pretend that I'm not boasting about that. Mm-hmm. Anyways, guys. Thanks for joining us. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you want to, enjoy watching what we do over here, learning from our opinions, learning from our mistakes, definitely subscribe. And if you want free stocks, links in the description. Webull, guys. Webull's awesome.
Yeah.
Webull has limit order big buttons, buy and sell. They have, it's amazing. They have a trade ladder now. Mm-hmm. They actually have a target that you can put in the last price, and it'll actually follow the last price. So there's so many different ways to trade with Webull a lot easier, because I know a lot of people on their mobile apps are like, this price is moving too fast, how can I possibly follow this? And Webull has come up with an answer for this. Now Webull, if you can please put in a big cancel all orders button.
That would be
we
nice.
need in the corner somewhere, cancel all, Mm-hmm. If we had that would be super appreciated. That is the most important thing, to be able to cancel your orders. Last thing you want is to, okay, I'm going to get this right here. Oh no, it's turning against me. And you can't, where do I cancel? I'm filled. We just lost half of our account. Like, I mean, that's totally possible. Cancel is the most important thing in all trading.
Mm-hmm. Gotta know how to cancel that trade.
Gotta know how to cancel the orders, exactly.
Or not trade, whatever.
Cancel that trade, though, because if you get filled, now you're in a trade that, oops, Now, I know other people are saying, this isn't how it's supposed to work, all these slow investor types that are like, I don't really care what the last tick is. I don't care if I get filled on the ask or the bid. I don't care if it's market orders. I'm holding it for the next 25 years anyways. Well, good for you. That's amazing, but that is not what we're doing around here. I feel the same way. I've told you guys, if I had a dealership and I could buy cars and sell them within less than a second or 15 seconds or 2 minutes, I would definitely do that. I wouldn't say, no, sorry, the car just arrived, sir. We can't sell it in 15 seconds to you. Or the car hasn't even made it to our lot yet. We have to wait before we can sell it to you. We have to make it to the lot. It's like nonsense.
Yeah, it's pretty annoying that you can't just go and get your car the day you go in.
Oh yeah, what's annoying to me about that is that I would like to be able to order it on my app. Like I said, I would like to be able to take her out to dinner, drive there in one car, and then come out and then have another car sitting there, and she's like, what? That's our new car.
Yeah.
What happened to our old car?
Nobody
that was a trade-in. They took it. We don't have that no more.
Right.
And be like, interesting. Mm-hmm. So that would be kind of fun. The dealer situation here, trying to make it to where you have to go to a dealer and have to go through the same process, it's ridiculous. Like, a salesman says, I got to go to the manager and talk to him for a few minutes here, and let's try to work out that deal, whatever you're asking him for. I'm going to go talk to the manager. I'm going to get that for you. Really, it doesn't go back to the manager. It goes back to the mechanic or the people behind the counter at the parts counter somewhere else, smoking a cigarette, chatting, maybe talking on the cell phone. Then after 15 minutes, you're sitting there bored, sweating, whatever. Finally comes back and says, well, here's what I can do. And really, there was no manager's consent on what they can do. That's why they come back with a shady deal or something's not very good. Anyways, another rant. So enjoy your day, guys. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.
Yes.
See you guys next time.
Yes, see you next time. Hi, I'm Sarah with Mighty Soldiers Trades. We really appreciate your support. If you like that video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.